Yes, right. I don't know what day we're on now, to be honest. It's been on and off, evenings and weekends for a few days. Obviously doing Paul and Leanne's one as well. But this is progress where we are now. So if you are new around here, please do go back to watch part 1 where I stripped my camper van out, turning it from this to this. We add a solar panel, cut a couple of holes in the back doors, lower the bed from here to here, creating a lot more room in the actual van itself. So that's going to be the new layout. Bit of an L shape in there, bit of storage with some doors going on. Toilet's going to go in there. Diesel heater, that went in last night. Just need to put the connected all up and stuff. Yeah, bed's obviously come lower and it's got more of an angle, so it's a lot more comfortable now, to be honest. And what's the back looking like? Yeah, still got plenty of room in there. So all the batteries are going right at the back. Whoa. Right, I'm not actually sure what day we're on. Well, Saturday today, but what day we're on the build. Just been on and off, evenings and weekends when Paul's available. So yeah, this is where we are so far. I've not really put the camera up, to be honest, but this is where we are. So that's the new layout for the sofa, stroke one bed. Obviously double bed up there, and then one of the other children sleeps across the 3 seats. We have got a swivel base in. I mean, it's a mess, isn't it? So today's job is to clean all up, get it ready for paint and carpeting. So yeah, I'm not going to record any of that because obviously it's boring, but yeah. Right, today, it's very dark in here. Today we got Kate today, and we're going to attempt to carpet. We have got Leanne here, who's the expert at carpeting, but yeah, we're going to attempt carpeting. Wish us luck. Okay, so you will see quite a bit of standing around because there's obviously an infill in the wall here. So, not going to lie, me and Kate were kind of struggling with how to stretch the carpet around that infill. So Paul did come to show us how it was done and then left us to it. So yeah, me and Kate do the bed and then the bench stroke second to bed, making sure we cut holes for the fuses and for the toilet flap. Right, this is where we are. Can't lie, Paul up with that bit. Yeah. Me and Kate just on the bed, the other bed over that, toilet, and an access hole for the fuses and a diesel heater.
Need to file that.
Yeah.
Send that down, baby.
So yeah, that's where we are. That one left, and then just the finishing touches. Okay, so Kate and I are just doing the last wall now. Yeah, this infill, to be honest, the carpet stretches really well. So this is 4-way stretch. It stretches really well. Wouldn't you know? Yeah, once someone showed you how to do it, I guess. Or just have a go. But now I'm back at home, just filling in the across the back panel, just pulling the rubber strip down, the seal down. Just yeah, filling in any areas where we missed with the main bit of carpet. Can't lie though, this spray glue gets absolutely everywhere, so don't recommend just spraying it like I did in the actual van, because there was a massive cleanup operation afterwards. Right, it's been a few weeks since that last clip you just watched. I haven't actually picked up the camera since, to be honest. However, we are a few weeks on and we are, I would say, 99.99% done. So since that last clip, I carpeted the back doors, Paul put some curtains in, Leanne did the flooring, Kate, Leanne, and I think with help from Claire, did the cushions, and we are now at the stage of it's being livable. So let's take a look. Yeah. You didn't actually think I was going to show you in this video, did you? I'm going to save that one for next week, so please make sure you do subscribe. Please stick around. Please like the video. We've got a big road trip coming up in a couple of weeks, so if you do want to see that, let me know where you think we're going. Leave a comment where you think we're going to go, and then I'll see you next week. Cheers.